Pagkatapos wasakin ni former 3 World Division Champion John Riel Casimero si Kenya Yamashita ng bansang Japan at Ricardo Espinoza. Ay agad naman naikasa ang susunod na laban nito kontra Cesar Ramirez, isang 4 years undefeated. Lahat ng naging laban nito ay puro knockout ang sinapit sa mga kamay niya. Sa makatuwid si Ramirez ay may mataas na knockout percentage at kayang-kayang nito makipagsabayan kung lakas lang ang pag-uusapan. Bago ang laban ay sinabi ni Ramirez sa kanyang interview na hindi magugustuhan ng mga Filipino fans ang gagawin niya sa kalaban niya na si Teodoro Alas John Riel Casimero.
Knockout.
That don't need interpretation.
Sa face-off pa lang ay kitang-kita na dito ang lamang ni Ramirez pagdating sa haba ng kamao at tindig. Kitang-kita din dito na talagang kumpiyansa siya sa kanyang sarili at hindi nakikitaan ng pagkatakot sa ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero. Kitang-kita din dito na talagang suportado pa noon ni former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao at Chavit Singson. Sa pag-uumpisa ng unang round ay tila gutom na gutom ang ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero na tila gustong-gusto na agad tapusin ang laban.
A very wily, long-limbed fighter.
Yes,
Certainly.
You can see Ramirez, they're using his height advantage there with the jab early on. But Casimero wanting to let his come down, challenge Casimero here in the 180
He's moving in, looking.
of this first round.
But right now, missing with a shot. He looks very tentative at this stage.
Yes.
We're talking of Ramirez.
Oh yeah, very tentative Ramirez. Looking, as we heard.
Sa pangalawang round ay ginamit na ni Ramirez ang kanyang height advantage laban kay John Riel Casimero, kaya nakakalusot ang iilan niyang mga solidong suntok sa ating pambato.
To be regular.
The tempo of Casimero.
I think Casimero was formerly the light flyweight title from 2012 to 2014 type of fighter.
Now, one thing about Ramirez is that he actually went to the 12th round before he scored a knockout. And then his distance. He's a survivor.
Missing on the right.
Sa round 3 ay hangad na ng ating pambato na si John Riel Casimero na tapusin na ang laban.
A major role in making this promotion happen.
Yes.
MP Promotions head Sean Gibbons.
Ngunit talagang malakas itong si Ramirez dahil nakikipagsabayan ito, at nakakapuntos pa ito sa pamamagitan ng mga counter-punches laban kay John Riel Casimero.
To win impressively in front of his countrymen.
Now he's measuring his opponent. He's moving in, but he's got to be careful. Ramirez looking to counter.
Ngunit talagang mabilis ang counter ng ating pambato at nagkama ng usang solidong suntok kay Ramirez na naging dahilan ng kanyang pagbagsak sa puntong ito ay rinig na rinig ang malalakas na sigawan ng mga manunood.
Quick movements there from Casimero.
Come in. So when he does, he's going to be prepared to throw. Can't just be one shot. It's just getting the right hand. That time a nice left hand.
That was
Putting him down on the canvas for the first knockdown in the fight.
beautiful variation from the Filipino, Casimero.
And you also like the patience here of Casimero. He's not
Doesn't
He's
seem
not
to be
getting careless. He's got a knockdown here, but he's not rushing things. He's looking for the right opening, the right opportunity.
focused and really waiting for the right.
Sa round 4 ay tila nakabawi dito si Ramirez kay John Riel Casimero dahil maingat na ito at pumapasok ang paunti-unti niyang mga suntok.
More offense-minded. Some rhythm here. He's boxing Casimero, not box. He wants to throw the big hands.
Mexican corner cheering him on. You want to get back in this round after suffering a knock. All back in Mexico. Says they're his biggest inspiration as he tries to land some shots here.
Not too much activity on the part of
Yeah.
Casimero in this round.
Yeah, surprising.
Looks like he's
you know?
pacing himself.
Yeah.
We're in for the long haul. You know that Casimero, Ricardo Espinosa, to win the Fighters seem to be just pawing at each
Casimero now with 25 seconds left in this round.
Well, you know, this round is up for grabs.
Ramirez, yep.
Whoever is able to throw more punches
Ramirez
here towards the
scores
end
right.
can get this round.
10 seconds.
Actually, this is a good round for Ramirez.
Yes.
I will give him this round. Mexican bouncing back from a knockdown in the previous round.
Sa round 5 ay inakala ng referee na tinamaan ni Casimero si Ramirez dahil aksidente itong nadulas, kaya banilangan niya ito.
Round number 4. Now in round number 5, there's a slip. There's a slip.
Dahil sa bilang na ginawa ng referee ay uminit si Ramirez at binigyan si Casimero ng isang solidong suntok at naging agresibo din ito.
That's a big one. That's a big punch.
Here, another right.
Oh!
Nice, wow, solid right for the Mexican.
Ooh, that got Casimero's attention.
Yep. This is getting interesting, Canito.
And both fighters now throwing bombs.
Whoa.
This is the kind of action the fans came here to see. Now combinations coming from Ramirez.
He's gonna want to get back. There, Ramirez gets through. Casimero backing up.
Now you see the height difference between the
Yes.
two. Ramirez showing a little more. There he is throwing his left and right. Casimero's holding on.
Ooh, Casimero with his back against the ropes gets out.
Sa round 6 ay bumawi naman si John Riel Casimero, at si Ramirez ay nakikipagsabayan din ng lakas sa lakas kay John Riel Casimero.
I thought towards the end of round number 5.
There's the solid left from Casimero. He tries to follow it up.
Casimero that time was able to use his reach to tag Casimero. So Casimero has to. Nice shot to the body there by Casimero from short distance.
Isang napakalakas na right punch ang tumama kay Casimero na nagpayanig sa utak nito.
That time he
Oh,
had his
another
distance.
right. Oh, Ramirez now pouring it on.
Big round here for Ramirez. Casimero forced to hold on.
Yeah, you can see he's feeling these punches and whoa. Mexican corner getting really excited. Another strong right from the Mexican. He's pouring it on Canito right here.
A big round here for Ramirez. That time Casimero throwing the right hand.
Crowd loving the action.
And this fight is not going to go the distance.
No,
Nice
both.
shot. Casimero.
Sa round 7 ay bumawi din ng solidong suntok si Casimero na nagpayanig din kay Ramirez.
He's been down twice.
Wow!
Points.
Wow!
Here we go.
That was a solid right from Casimero. And Ramirez.
Dahil dito ay hindi na nag-aksaya pa ng pagkakataon si Casimero, pinaulanan niya ng mga solidong suntok dahilan ng pagkahilo ni Ramirez dito.
He's having difficulty breathing because of the.
Oh, another solid right from
Here we go.
Casimero.
And he's down.
Oh.
He's down.
Binilangan ito ng referee. Sa puntong ito, ay dito mo talaga kabibiliban ng mga Meksikano pagdating sa pakikipaglaban. Nagawa pang ituloy ni Ramirez ang laban. Ngunit sa pagkakataong ito, ay nais nang tapusin ni Casimero ang sagupaan. Subalit, bagamat hingal na hingal at iniinda pa ang pinsalang tinamo, ay nagawa pa ring makipagsabayan ni Ramirez ng kamao sa kamao kay Casimero.
Future corner. Referee didn't see it. Another big punch coming from Casimero. There's blood.
Oh man, this is all heart now for
Yeah.
the Mexican. Whoa! Another, oh boy!
One more big punch, and this could be it.
Sa round 8, bagamat malaki ang pinsala na natamo ni Ramirez sa round 7 ay talagang matibay pa rin si Ramirez, at nagawa pa itong makatama ng soildong suntok kay Casimero.
Casimero is moving in. But he can't get careless. Casimero has a tendency to open up. Once he
Left and right combo from Casimero to the body. It's Ramirez coming forward. You see the legs of Ramirez are very slim, especially to signal to Casimero that he's still in this fight.
for good in the previous round. But he wants to make sure that he's got gas in his tank. We are scheduled for 12. We are
To let out those punches and boxing. That was a solid right from
right hand. And Casimero.
answers back. Beautiful upstairs hitting from the Filipino. Getting a lot of adrenaline.
Sa round siyam na ay kitang-kita na dito ang pagod at pagkahingal ng ating pambato na si Jonriel Casimero. At nasa delikadong round si Jonriel Casimero dahil gusto na ni Ramirez tapusin ito.
So Casimero way ahead on points at this stage with 3 knockdowns scored in 3 different rounds.
Round 9.
Ramirez is showing he still got it. He still has some stuff left
Tremendous durability.
from the nose and from the mouth, but he's still standing up. He
Now Ramirez
Oh, nice shot.
connecting with the left and the uppercut.
Sa round 10 ay gustong-gusto na ng bawat isa ang tapusin na ang laban kay puro solidong mga suntok ang kanilang pinakakawalan. Hang sa masapol ng ating pambato na si Casimero ang panga ni Ramirez sa sobrang lakas ng suntok ng ating pambato ay kitang-kita na pati mouthpiece nito ay humiwalay sa lakas ng suntok ng ating pambato na naging dahilan ng pagkatalo ni Ramirez.
But he's fighting back.
when he's taking those shots to the midsection, he to the body.
But make no mistake about it. Oh! Mistake about it. Oh, down, it's down, it's down. And I think it's out.
12 rounds of boxing for the undisputed super bantamweight championship of the world. Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black trunks with gold trim, hailing from Ormoc City, Leyte in the Philippines. Here is the 3-weight division world champion, introducing John Riel Casimero. Gentlemen, please welcome the 4-division world champion, boxing's pride of Japan, the current hard-hitting, undefeated, reigning and defending, undisputed super bantamweight champion of the world, introducing Naoya, the Monster.
Lalong umiinit ang usapin sa iba't ibang social media platform, ang inaasam ng karamihan lalong-lalo na ang ating pambato na si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas Jonriel Casimero, na matuloy na ang labanan Casimero vs Naoya Inoue. Ito ay dahil binalita mismo ng Boxing News Online na dahil umano sa unang bahagi ng taon 2027 mangyayari ang blockbuster fight sa pagitan ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Ngunit bago magtapos ang taon kasalukuyan ay baka magkaroon muna ng laban si Naoya Inoue ng title defense fight. Ayon sa Boxing Online, as a result before Naoya Inoue can faces Rodriguez in early 2027, the undisputed champion may target another defense of his super bantamweight undisputed title in either September or October. At present Jonriel Casimero could be under consideration for that bout while fellow Filipino Carl James Martin remains the WBO mandatory challenger. Nag-post na din ang Great Chef Boxing na Naoya Inoue vs Jonriel Casimero. Habang ang manager ni Naoya Inoue ay kinumpirma sa Yahoo Japan na tuloy na ang laban ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Kaya sa ngayon ay muling nabigyan ng pag-asa ang labanan Naoya Inoue vs Jonriel Casimero na matuloy. Dalawang malalakas na mandirigma sa taon kasalukuyan. Naoya Inoue vs Jonriel Casimero. Ang isang magagaling na mandirigma ay may kanya-kanyang talento at lakas sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Ang pinakamalakas ng bansang Japan na si Naoya Inoue ay masusubukan, kontra sa lakas ng bansang Pilipinas na si Jonriel Casimero. Pagkatapos manalo sa Super Series fight ay naghahanda na itong si Naoya Inoue para lumaban sa bansang Amerika. Ang training sa ilalim ng kanyang ama ay mas lalong naging bihasa sa pagigipaglaban si Naoya Inoue at mas lalo pa itong lumalakas ang mga suntok.
Train with him, what's wrong with him? That guy, yeah, he knocks him out. He's a freak of nature, isn't he?
You gotta get up and go get it.
It's certainly a risky fight for the Japanese star, especially coming off an orbital injury. But with credit to his throwback style and willingness to face the best, a victory against the Filipino this year would see him put a serious dent in the pound-for-pound rankings.
And that is devastating once again from Naoya Inoue. I'm fearless.
Lahat ng laban ni Naoya Inoue ay tinuturing niyang napakadelikado, gusto niyang patunayan sa lahat na siya ang nag-iisang halimaw sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ngunit may gustong patunayan ang mandirigma ng bansang Pilipinas na isa rin siyang halimaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng boxing ring, tinuturing siyang isang napakadelikadong boksingero na may taglay na lakas ng kamao, siya ay si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero.
Casemiro is no joke. He's a real killer, and he can punch, and he's a ruthless, spiteful fighter.
Despite being nicknamed Cuadro Alas, which translates to 4 aces, Casemiro plans to leave nothing down to luck come fight night.
I'm very excited this fight, and Inoue, see you and having fight.
Continuing a 5-fight knockout streak and hoping to turn the new influx of fans from Inoue's fan-friendly style into his own,
Casemiro is ready. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can beat him.
where many expected Donaire to be a pushover for Naoya, it drew a Fight of the Year tear.
They go toe to toe to the final bell.
And where many expected Tete to be too slick and too technical for John Real, he simply blew him out of the water.
Casemiro needs to pick his punches, and he can't find the feet.
Donaire rewound the clock to put in a career-best performance, and whilst it still wasn't enough to beat the monster, it offers his countrymen something to build on.
I planned how to knock him out.
The fight itself will invite a red-hot pace. Both men have spectacular footwork, with Casemiro's in-and-out movement being some of the best in the division. The one thing the Filipino can be guilty of is sometimes waiting for the perfect shot to present itself, something he cannot afford to do. The story of the matchup will be how well both men take and distribute each other's power. Inoue's speed and boxing could create openings for him to apply pressure, and if he gets his man on the back foot, he is probably the most complete finisher in the sport.
Right hand, left hand, McDonald sags into the ropes again. The referee has jumped in and waved this off.
Though you'd be crazy, even with his track record, to think it's a walk in the park for the Japanese star. After all, we saw him drawn into a firefight in November, one that swung the fight wide open. Should the same take place at the Mandalay Bay, anything could happen.
Counter right hand. Inoue rocked to his boots.
With 2 fantastic punchers, the odds certainly don't favor those ringside hearing the final bell. Though with 2 men who chose legacy over comfort, the real winners will be the fans. And with names like Neri and Ubali lying in wait, we can expect an undisputed bantamweight collision in the not-too-distant future.
I think we can knock him out. Bob Arum, make that fight.
Naoya Inoue looks on course to become a true boxing great and has all the tools and natural ability to do so.
I think as soon as Louis lands, it's game over.
However, John Riel Casimero has been described as the best boxing champ you've never heard of, something that could certainly change in the coming months.
Başlayan ve yumruk kombinasyonu.